Welcome back to Kitchenary Basics. Chef Paul here with Chef Rob to celebrate another holiday with great food that's easy to make and takes absolutely no time at all.
That's right, thanks Paul. Today we're celebrating St. Patrick's Day. And in honor of St. Patrick, Ireland's foremost patron saint, we are preparing Irish spring rolls.
Let's get started. Begin by peeling 3 large baking potatoes. Now, dice the potatoes. Place the diced potatoes in water and boil until soft. Dice 1/4 onion and 2 garlic cloves. Sauté the garlic and onion in 1 tablespoon of olive oil for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat to soften. Add a bag of coleslaw and continue cooking for about 5 minutes or until the coleslaw cooks down. Add shaved corned beef to mixture and stir until well combined. Season with sea salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Combine with potatoes in a large mixing bowl. Stir well until thoroughly combined. Mash larger chunks of potato while mixing to improve consistency. Prepare 1 large beaten egg. Prepare 6 egg roll wrappers by brushing beaten egg mixture on all 4 sides. Place 2 to 3 tablespoons of Irish spring roll mixture in the center of each wrapper and roll tightly. Use egg mixture to seal the ends. Heat 1 cup of peanut oil in a large saucepan. Place the egg rolls in the saucepan. Cook 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Remove from pan, drain on a paper towel, and let cool. While waiting for the egg rolls to cool, add a festive touch by making green beer. Just add a few drops of green food coloring and stir. The rolls should now be cool and ready to eat. Serve with Thousand Island dressing and enjoy.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Paul and I slayed those Irish spring rolls, and the 1000 Island dipping sauce on the side was a smash.
I tell you, it sure was, Chef Rob. And thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.